G'day folks, it's just a couple of minutes after 4 o'clock PM. Friday, the 9th, does it, of June? And this is what's left of this neighbourhood place. It's become being demolished in advance of it being rebuilt. So today was, I guess, the majority part of the demolition. They started, they did a bit of pre-work, I guess, a few days ago, and then I think it was yesterday they did a bit. And this was the majority of it. So that's what it looks like. And you can see the fire-resisting walls of the units adjacent to it on each side. That way and that way, and the fire resisting walls definitely resisted the fire. That's all, folks. Cheerio.